Assalamu alaikum students. Hope everyone is fine, happy and healthy. I'm your English teacher and I want to say welcome to all of you. Today we are going to do telling and asking sentences. Today's learning objectives are, by the end of the lesson, students will be able to identify the use of full stop, exclamation mark and question mark. Make telling and asking sentences. First of all, I want to just discuss with you few punctuation marks. Those are used in sentences. Number one is full stop. A full stop is put at the end of every statement. For example, I hung my coat on the coat hanger. So here you can see the sentence is going to start with the capital letter and it will end with the full stop. Number two, question mark. A question mark is put at the end of every question. For example, did you hang your coat on the coat hanger? So you can see question mark at the end of sentence. Number three, exclamation mark. An exclamation mark is used to express strong feelings, emotions such as shock, surprise, and anger. It is also used to give command. For example, put that down at once. Note: full stops, question marks, and exclamation marks are all end stops. What is telling sentence? It begins with the capital letter and ends with the full stop. It tells us about a person, place, thing, animal, event. For example, Disneyland is a beautiful place. I will go with you. Asha plays with her doll. Asking sentence. It begins with the capital letter and ends with the question mark. It usually starts with question word like who, what, where, when, how, did, do, will, would, could, and is. For example, what is your name? Who are you? Where can we find farm animals? When is your birthday? Instructions. Please open page 16 of your junior English. Write down date and day on the top of your page. This is your page number. And the title of the page is the end stop. You have to just write down date and day on the top of the page. Today it is Tuesday, 28th July 2020. End stop. Page 16. Question number 1. Copy each sentence. Put a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark at the end of each. Number 1. A bushy tail of a fox is called a brush. So, this is a telling sentence. It starts with the capital letter. It's going to end with the full stop. Second, a camel go for days without water. A camel can go for days without water. Number 3, have you visited the Tower of London? So, this is the asking question. You have to put question mark at the end of sentence. The Nile is a long river in Africa. Don't you dare to do that. Will you call for me in the morning? Our school starts at 9 o'clock. Did you post the letter I gave you? Again, it is a asking sentence. Pavers can gnaw through big trees. Put that down immediately. Are you sorry you are leaving Liverpool? Just go away. The follow-up is language 3, page 13, question number 2 on book. This is your homework. Question number 2, you have to do it on your book, and you have to just arrange the sentence in a proper sequence. For example, the first sentence is a letter to grandma I wrote. It will be like that. I wrote a letter to my grandma. Second, you like to cheesy chunks. So after arranging it, it will be like, do you like cheesy chunks? And the rest of the sentences you will do by yourself. You will draw a line here with your scale, and then you will arrange the sentences. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.